Welcome to this segment of Brashaw's Home Improvement's latest project. In this edition, we will be installing decorative metal stair spindles in place of your traditional wood stair spindles. This particular home came with your traditional white stair spindles, which gives the house an outdated feel. Our goal at Brashaw's Home Improvement is to give our outdated stairs a new, elegant look. The homeowner has chosen a black satin finish and a double basket for the particular style. Cut the old post. Nice little turn. It pops right out. Work your other post out. The other end just a little bit. And it pops right out. After working with the homeowner on a particular pattern, we remove the old wood stair spindles, clean and prep the area for our new metal spindles. Your metal staircases come in a variety of styles, from your single knuckle style to your single basket style and your straight pole. They also come in a variety of finishes, such as your Aura bronze finish, your satin nickel finish, and as this display shows, your black satin finishes. Just choose your style and your pattern and you can achieve a beautiful staircase. We cut the metal posts and set them in place. We seal off the bottom and the top with the silicone type caulking and black that will match the post color. And then set the shoes in place. If you're looking for an elegant front entry with style and class, you can count on Brashaw's Home Improvements to provide remarkable results. Impress your family and friends with a staircase makeover that will speak for itself for years to come. I hope you've enjoyed this segment of Brashaw's Home Improvement's latest project, and I look forward to talking with you.